Okay. So we were on algebra when we were busy solving for x, and you guys said you are now good on solving for x. So let's try. Solve for x. So let's say number 1. They said x squared minus 4x is equals to 21. And we're fine.
Yes.
So how can we
Yes.
solve for x? I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this. I hope you are done with that one.
Yes.
So first thing that we must do is to standardize the what? The equation. So is to put our equation in the standard form. Then we have to factorize this. Then this is x, and this is x. And we find the factors of 21, whereby when we multiply, they give us negative 21, but when we add them, they give us positive 21. Rote. Rote one of the factors that 21 general reaches the multiplier, that negative 21, mara reaches the adder, that negative 4. So are the 1. Rangasi J21 now one, ingase reach adder for 4 zone is 2 and 7. Is 3 and 7, right? Is that so?
Yes.
Yes.
Whereby we've got negative and positive and positive and negative. So negative 3 plus 7, do we get negative 4? No, it means this one, we crush it. 3 plus minus 7, yes. It means our factors is plus 3 and minus 7.
7.
Therefore, it means x plus 3 is equals to 0, or what? Or x minus 7 is equals to 0.
0.
Therefore, we solve for x. X is equals to minus 3,
3.
or x is equals to what?
7.
Then we are done.
Yes.
Is it difficult?
No.
No.
So we solved this equation last time, is that so?
Yeah.
We did.
I think we
Yes.
solved many equations. So now let's proceed. The reason why I'm repeating many things with you guys is just that because you guys you are too behind, and we have to close that gap. Are we good?
Yes.
So how about 5 to the power of x is equals to 1? This is like 5 to the power of x is equals to what? 5 to the power of 0.
0.
Therefore, our x is equals to
0.
0. Are we good?
Yes.
Is it difficult?
No.
So now let's solve this. X into x minus 1 is equals to 20. The simple means that when we remove the brackets, what are we going to get?
X squared.
X squared.
We're going to get x squared
Minus 1x.
minus 1x is equals to 20. Then we standardize the equation. This is x squared minus 1x minus 20 is equals to what? 0.
0.
Then what do we do?
Factorize.
We factorize. So how do we factorize? We're going to get the factors of 20. That way we multiply, they give us negative 20. But when we add, they give us what?
1.
Negative 1. Which are what and what? It's 5 and 4. That's all.
Yes.
So this one is minus and this one is plus. So that when we add them, they give us negative. Oh, so what does this mean? It means x minus 5 is equals to what? 0 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, we take 5 to that other side. X equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 4. Are we still together?
Yes.
Then we proceed.
Yes. Yes.
So now, let's go and solve x and y simultaneously. Simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equations. Are we fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now, what do you understand by simultaneous equation?
Solving for x and y.
Sorry? What do you understand by simultaneous equation?
Yeah.
Hmm? Okay, let me say as an example, I'm giving you this equation. I said solve it simultaneously. Or you are given 6p, 6q plus 7p is equals to 3. And again, you are given 2q plus p is equals to 5. Can you please try to solve this simultaneously?
Ah.
Can you please try to solve it simultaneously?
Okay.
How far?
4 pages. Wapedza.
Let's do the solution. So we're going to name those two equations, our equation 1 and our
1,
equation what? 2.
2.
Then we check between the two equations. Rasa zidla equation bili urindifi your equation. Which equation can we make either P or either Q subject to the formula? And we find that is from which equation? From equation 2. So on our equation 2, we can make P subject to the formula. Jumbo P doing 5 minus mini 2Q. This thing,
2Q.
our equation mini 3.
3.
Why a reason we choose from equation 1? Nguru dobana the division. So this P, right pangera ka equation era si B se kayo, ine yaba equation 1. So amboro do dara sub 3 into 1. Then it means 6Q plus 7 where there's a P, we plug 5 minus 2Q. Minus 2Q is equals to what? 3. Row 3. Then we remove the what? The brackets.
Hey.
We've got 6Q plus 7 times 5. What did you get?
35.
You get 35 minus 7 times 2, 14. Q is equals to 3. Then our group as like terms is 6Q minus 7 minus 14Q. Round of guys, 6 minus 14.
Minus 8.
What did you get?
Minus 8.
Minus 8Q. Then 35 at that side is 3 minus 35. That's all. Then minus 8Q is equals to 3 minus 35 is what?
Minus 32.
Minus 32. Then we divide both sides by minus 8, right? Then we're going to have minus 8Q minus 8 is equals to minus 32 divided by minus 8. Therefore, Q is equals to what? 32 divided by 8.
4.
Then we sub our Q into equation 3 to get our P. Then it means our P is equals to 5 minus 2 into 4. Then we get our P is equals to what?
Minus 3.
Minus
3.
3. So is it difficult? Any question?
Okay.
Okay, now we proceed.
Yes.
Raro na ite question. Okay. So now, let's say now you have got 3x is equals to y minus 4. And again, you have 2y. You have 2y is equals to 5 plus 3x. Let's say we have this thing. So this one is going to be equals to what? This one is going to be our equation 1 and our equation 2.
2.
So from our equation 1, y ndio ni rena coefficient ya 1 yazoni. So for 1 or y is equals to what? 3x 4 ido yanga inke r plus mini 4. So our equation mini 3.
3.
Row 3. Then we sub our equation 3 into our equation 2.
2
Then it means where they say y, we are going to put 3x
plus 4.
Then is equals to what? 5 plus 3x. Then this is nothing but what? 6x plus 8 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Then we group the like term. This is 6x minus 3x. It's nothing but equals to 5 minus 8. Then we've got 3x is equals to minus 3. Then when we divide both sides by 3, we get that x is equals to minus 1. Then we sub our x, sub x into 3. So it means our y is going to be equals to what? 3 into minus 1 plus 4. Then what do we have? Our y is nothing but equals to what? 1.
1.
Are we good?
Yes.
Do we have any question? Do we have any question? And we proceed.
Yeah.
So now, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question.
Yes.
So let's say the next question says, let's say the next question says 2 the power of, let's say the next question says 2 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 8 to the power of 2y minus 1. And we have 3x plus 2 is equals to 4y is equals to 4y plus 1. So let's say we put such.
This morning answer.
Sorry?
This is love jar could say that the smoothness.
Yeah, this is mountainous equation. So this is our what? Our equation 1 and our equation 2. So we can first simplify our equation 1. Are we good?
Yes.
So when we simplify it, what are we going to get? When we simplify it, what are we going to get? Mm-hmm.
We'll simplify equation 1.
Yeah.
2 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 in brackets 2y minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
2 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 in brackets 2y minus 1.
Okay. Then when we simplify, if we're simplifying the first one, we'll see that this is 2 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to what? 2 to the power of 3 into 2y minus 1. Is that so?
Yes.
Then what do we get?
2 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power of
We get
6y.
x plus 2 is equals to 6y minus 3. Then before we name our equations, we can say, and now we have to simplify. We can now say this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now we can start with what we know. We can say from equation what? 1. We get that indeed our x is nothing but equals to what? 6y minus 5. Is that so?
Yes.
Then we sub our equation 3 into 2. Then it means when they say x, we're going to put 6y. We're going to put 6y minus what? Minus 5. Then plus 2 is equal to 4y plus 1. I will still together.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then we proceed. Simplify and tell me the
Yes.
final solution. So you get what? 6 times 3?
80.
You get 18y minus 5 times 3?
50.
15 plus 2 is equals to 4y plus 1.
1.
And this is nothing but going to be equals to what? 18y minus 4y is equals to what? Is verify me. Minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13, right? Then 1 plus
Yes.
13. Then this is what? 22y is equals to what? 14 is that so?
Yes.
No. Can't be 22. 18 minus that one. 18 minus 4 is 14,
It's
right?
14. Yes.
14y is equals to
14.
14, right?
14. Yes,
And we
divided
divide
by
by
14. 14.
14. Then y is equals to what?
1.
1. Then you sub your y into which equation? Into equation 3 to get x. Then your x is nothing but equals to 6 into 1 minus 5. Then you get that your x is equals to 1. Do we have any question?
Ayo, hold on.
Do we have any question?
No.
Yeah, yourself, let's end here. I don't want to teach you many things you will forget. So keep on practicing. We must have many classes. Ne?
Sipho,
Hello.
nitarifunza lini trigi?
Mostly nichibokona hizo.
Eh.